In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Lasso tool in GIMP. GIMP, standing for GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful and open-source image editing software that has been a favorite among digital artists and photographers for years. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, mastering tools like the Lasso tool can really enhance your editing prowess. First things first, let's get started by opening your GIMP application. If you haven't already installed GIMP, it's readily available for download on multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. Once you have GIMP open, you should be greeted with a default interface that includes various toolboxes and panels. It might look a bit daunting if you're new to image editing, but don't worry, we'll focus on just the essentials for this task. Now let's turn our attention to the Lasso tool, which is also referred to as the Free Select tool. This tool is particularly useful for selecting irregular shapes in an image. It allows you to draw freehand selections, making it ideal for cutting out parts of an image that are not perfectly rectangular or elliptical. You can find the Lasso tool in the toolbox, usually located on the left side of the GIMP interface. If you hover over each icon, the name of the tool should appear. Find the one that looks like a lasso, or alternatively, it might be referred to as the Free Select tool. Click on it to activate it. Once you've selected the Lasso tool, click on your image and drag to begin outlining the area you want to select. You don't have to get it perfect on the first try, as you can adjust anchor points afterward. As you move your cursor around, you'll create a dotted line following the path you draw. Feel free to take your time with this, as precision is key when it comes to detailed selections. If you're aiming to select large, intricate areas, you might find it helpful to zoom in on your image. You can do this by holding the Control key and scrolling with your mouse wheel, or using the Zoom tool located in the toolbox. This will help you make more precise selections without straining your eyes. After you've completed your selection, connect the end of your line back to your starting point, or simply press the Enter key. This will finalize your selection, and you'll notice the selected area is now highlighted with a dotted outline known as marching ants. From here, you can copy, cut, or alter this area to your liking, and there you have it. You've successfully used the Lasso tool in GIMP to select a portion of your image. With practice, you'll become more adept at using this versatile tool for everything from simple edits to more complex projects. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering GIMP and other digital art tools.